Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of Blender in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. Blender is a free and open source 3D computer graphics software tool set. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for Blender download in your preferred search engine. Go to download link of blender.org. Click on the download Blender button. Wait for the download to complete. Now open the file browser and go to Downloads folder. Right-click on the downloaded package and click Extract here. Rename the extracted folder to Blender. Move the Blender folder to Home folder. Now go to the Blender folder and look for the Blender executable file. Double-click on the file to run the Blender application. Blender installation is completed. To add Blender in menu, right-click on the menu and click on the Configure. Go to Menu tab and click on the Open Menu Editor. Now choose where you want to add the Blender menu and click New Item button. Enter the menu name. Choose the menu icon. Now choose the command. Click OK. Go to Menu and click on the Blender menu to open the application. Now the existing Blender file will not open by default. To open the existing Blender file, right-click on the file and click Open with Other Application. Click on the Browse File icon and choose Blender Executable File. Set as default and click OK. Now existing Blender file will open in Blender application by double-clicking the file.